Mastering English phrases, understanding Muck In. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we have a very interesting phrase to explore, Muck In. This is a phrase you might hear in various English-speaking contexts, and it's a great one to have in your language toolkit. So, let's dive in and understand what Muck In really means, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The phrase, muck in, is a British informal expression that means to join in and help with an activity, especially when there is hard work involved. It suggests a sense of community and cooperation, as people come together to share the workload. For example, if a group of friends are cleaning up after a party, one might say, "Come on, everyone, let's muck in and get this place tidy again." It implies that everyone should contribute and take part in the task at hand. To better understand how to use muck in, let's go through a few examples. 1. During a house move, we've got a lot of boxes to pack up. It would be great if everyone could muck in. 2. At a community event, we're setting up for the school fair, and we need as many hands as possible. If you're free, please do muck in. 3. In a work situation, this project is quite big and we're on a tight deadline. I hope everyone is ready to muck in and get it done on time. It's also important to clarify what muck in does not mean. It does not mean to make a situation messy or to interfere in a negative way. It's all about positive action and lending a hand where it's needed. There are several other phrases in English that carry a similar meaning to muck in. Here are a few: pitch in, chip in, lend a hand, help out. Using any of these phrases would convey a similar sense of teamwork and contribution. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, muck in. We hope this has clarified what it means and how you can use it in your own conversations. Remember, language is all about practice, so don't hesitate to try using muck in the next time you find yourself in a situation where everyone is contributing to a task. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!